Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Shopify with QuickBooks, so let's get right into it. Now, to integrate those two, you have two methods which I know of, and both of them are pretty easy to do. However, they do require a paid subscription. One requires for QuickBooks, well, both of them require for QuickBooks, and one of them does require a different type of Shopify than I have. I, for some reason, can't install the app, but let me show you what I mean. Now, what we're going to do is first go here, and we're going to go and search under apps, and we're going to search for QuickBooks, and that's going to open up the QuickBooks Online app. Just click on that, and as you can see, it isn't compatible with my store for some reason, but you can install this, and this is a pretty good thing to use as an integration for QuickBooks. Other than that, you have OneSaaS, which I'll show you through this guide here, and you can just install this app on QuickBooks if you have a QuickBooks subscription and account. And what you need to do is just sign up to QuickBooks Online, go to apps and find the apps and search for the Shopify connector by Intuit. Then get the app now, connect to Shopify, and then you'll need to enter your domain URL from Shopify in that pop-up window that will appear. And then once that's done, select connect to Shopify, and then sign into your Shopify store, and that should be all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.